What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install or replace your license plate frame on your car. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. We'll come down to our license plate and all we're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket wrench. We'll unscrew this one. We use the Phillips head for this one, and on this one I'll show you the 10mm socket. Same process. Sometimes it'll just be a Phillips head, it won't have the socket. Pull this off, flip it around, and then slide this old. Now the license plate frames we're going to be using today are these nice Nylata. These are polished stainless steel plates. Nice and shiny chrome. It comes with a set of two, one for the front and one for the back. So we flip around the license plate, and we're just going to put the bottom in there. Now sometimes these license plate frames will have a little groove. You'll need to actually slide the plate down into it. This one looks like it just goes up underneath. Actually, these little hooks go on the bottom, and we'll just drop it into those. Holds it in there. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description for this, and I'll try and get a coupon code from the company for you guys as well. So then it's just the reverse process. We're going to line up the license plate hole and the frame, put our screw through, and sometimes it's easier to just line it up by hand. Start it by hand on each side, and we're just going to screw it in, and we're going to adjust the license plate so we get it level. Might have to adjust it a couple times to get it perfect for your liking. We just tighten it down. You don't need to wrench these down too tight. You just want them snug so it doesn't fall off. And that's it, guys. That is how to install a new license plate frame on your car. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care. It even looks good on the front of this vintage VW bus.